Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Caravelle. This vehicle has done just over 46,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. We also have our foldable table in the middle. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, web link, Bluetooth audio and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a rear parking camera. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side.